Cause everybody's talking about you, girl. Cause you're wearing that CoCo La Rue, girl.
Hi, my name is Olga and I came from Russia just to do my hair extension. I used to have a very thin and fine hair, and having extension was always my dream, but I wanted to be very careful about that. So I spoke with my friend from Potomac, Maryland, and she recommended me to go with CoCo. So what I did, I went online, I checked her reviews, then I spoke with one of her customers and I decided to give it a try. And I should say that I never regret it because she is awesome. Look at my hair, it looks totally different. It's full and thick and I feel like a different person. I'm really happy. It's my third time with her and I can go from Russia to America just to do my hair, and I could never be happier.
Cause everybody's talking about you, girl. Cause you're wearing that